Hello sweetie, welcome back to Mickey Roy's kitchen. Today I am making tomato oil step by step, and I want to thank you all for tuning in today. God bless you so much. God bless all my return viewers and all my new subscribers and old subscribers. If today is your first time on this channel, you are warmly welcome to this channel. Please subscribe, click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video. I will not be talking too much. This is step by step, so just watch everything and comment down below and tell me what you think about this. Wait. Please, if you have watched this video so far and you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video, and please share. Like this video, it's not going to cost you much. Please like it. And please comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe, what you think about this method. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in today. God bless you. Bye bye. See you around.